Okay, then welcome everybody to the course launch webinar. And we are going to uh, just a minute. Yeah, so this course is named as Decode, Deploy, and Dominate to master investments and trading with advanced tools. So, what is meaning of decode? What is deploy? And what is dominate? There are different portions in this course. First portion will be related to decoding, which will be conducted as analysis of markets based on technical analysis. I preferably go for technical analysis. That will be a session, at least two sessions. It will conduct. It will be based on our tape reading tool. If it requires more time, it will give more time. Then next will be, I will describe everything. So first is technical analysis plus fundamental analysis. Then we have to deploy using our special tools. So we can deploy without being at the screen. Or orders can be placed without we staying on the screen. So that is deployment. We can create multiple types of orders. We can create GTTs. We can send orders with tools. So that we'll discuss in second part. And in third part, we have to dominate. Dominate means we don't have to dominate the market. We have to dominate ourselves. So we have to manage the risk. We have to manage our positions. We have to manage our trades. Okay. So I request everyone to keep the mic muted, or let me mute everyone from my side, because sometimes people join and they don't know that their mic is on. So if anyone wants to speak something, they can raise the hand and I will allow unmute. Now, about me, I am Dr. Prashant Parate. I am orthopedic surgeon and I am shoulder and knee surgeon. So I just love shoulder surgeries. I have posted video of my latest shoulder surgery in the group. And I am a stock market enthusiast also. And about financial background, I have knowledge of technical analysis, and I would say I have decent knowledge about technical analysis. That's why I'm teaching. And when I'm teaching, I'm learning more than anybody else in the group. So teaching is the best way of learning. Then I have also studied about coding so that I can backtest everything whichever I learn. It makes it saves lot of time, because if I have to study one strategy and test it, at least 5 to 10 months will be required to study one strategy. But with the coding part, I can test one strategy with just one click, and the results will be visible on the screen. And if some strategy is useful, then I can go and check further. So I can spend much lesser time as compared to 5 to 10 months. I can finish one strategy within maybe a month, and that is very big saving on time. So that's why I learned coding. And then let's have a overview of our course. This course is basically more inclined on technical analysis, and it will be based on tape reading tool. So this is the shorter duration of course. I also have longer duration course, but most of the doctors prefer shorter duration, and this will be based totally on tape reading tool. Advantage of this is there is enhanced market insight. The tool gives us colors. If we check the markets, there is up candle, down candle, there is lot of confusion. But with this tool, I have separated the price action in such a way that if market is in uptrend, it will show green color. If it is in downtrend, it will show red color. And it is it will enhance our market insights, where to take which kind of action. That will be easier to understand. And we can apply this to improve our decision making. It will be useful for investors as well as for swing traders and intraday traders. And it shows during the real market time. So real time, it keeps updating what is the price. Uh, it is real time. It is not lagging. I won't say it is leading, but it is not lagging. So Trend, what is trend and trend following? We'll discuss this during the course. It is very important aspect. We'll discuss what is the trend, then what is the trend following, what are different strategies based on market momentum, where we can follow the trend and take trades where rapid fast movements can be expected. And we'll discuss about what are advantages of this kind of trend following method, what are disadvantages, what is the risk reward ratio, how much is the success rate. And we'll also have a look at other methods like contrarian views and mean reversion methods. So there are usually three types. One is contrarian view, another is mean reversion, and third one is trend following. We'll have some discussion in first part on tape reading tool, and this will be discussed in that. Then we'll have a session in which we'll discuss about how to apply the tape reading tool on our screen, how to open a charting platform. I have shared one video of TradingView in which you can see how to add the chart to your screen, how to change uh, different symbols, and what are different tools available for marking. Go through that video. It is very important video. Even if you are advanced trader, maybe you will find something important which you don't know. And then we'll see how to select that tape reading tool, where it will be available, how to know that you are invited or not, and when, how to add that tool to your chart, and then how to adjust these parameters and apply to desired chart. So all these things will be discussed in setting of tape reading tool. Then there are different colors. There are 6 colors of tape reading tool, like green color, red color candle, yellow, pink, blue, black, and you can change the color as per uh, your convenience. So some people have difficulty in identification of colors. They can choose their own colors and identify what is happening. So that understanding, when to buy when the candle is green, when to buy when the to sell when candle is red, how to identify this is selling opportunity, where to go short. All these things will be discussed based on those colors. And then we'll discuss about different bullish strategies. These strategies will be useful for investors. So investors can use a chart of weekly time frame or monthly time frame. And in these charts, stop losses are larger, so risk is more than 40%, sometimes 30-40% risk is fair enough for investors, I would say, because they have a tendency to keep holding for very long time. So these strategies will show how even after 40% of drawdown, when we take next trade, there can be gain of 400%, 500%. So 100 to 200% gain in is routine in these long-term trend following strategies, but it takes time. It is not a daily 100 or 200% or not even 1 year. It will take some time. Usually, weekly charts develop over a period of maybe 2 to 3 years, after which they hit the stops. So, investors with view of 2 to 3 years can easily use weekly charts. Either they will be out of the trade within few months, or they can keep on holding for many months. Then traders can use this tool for breakout trading or retracement trading. We will use these two methods. One will be breakout trading, where we will buy on change of candle color, and another will be retracement trading, where we'll wait for prices to come down to our area of buying. Buying area will be printed automatically, and we'll know where to place the orders, or we can just place the alerts, and that type of trading can be done. So traders can use breakout trading and retracement trading with the tool. And key indicator for this is tape reading tool. So traders can use daily time frame, they can use weekly time frame. If you are very active trader, you can use 75-minute time frame. And if you are day trader, intraday trading is your thing, or scalping, then you can use 15-minute charts or even lower time frame. 15-minute chart gives 2 to 3 days trade. So if you buy today, you can hold on for 2 to 3 days. Or if you go short, 2 to 3 days can be the time duration for which we can hold. So these things can be done by traders. And those who want to do option buying, they can go with 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame. Normally, 3 minute time frame is good. We will discuss all these things during the session. So which time frame to use and all different bullish strategies. So there will be one go-to strategy for investor, one go-to strategy for two go-to strategies for traders. This will be discussed. Then bearish strategies will also be discussed. How to do short selling, how to use puts for leveraging bearish market condition, when to do when to do call selling. Many people are using call selling like covered call, or put selling like cash secured puts. So we'll discuss those things in options strategies. And there are different methods. If we are following a trend, then we have to trail or stop loss. So how to use the trailing stop loss, how to set initial stop loss, how to adjust or stop when the moves are in or profit, when to lock in the profits, when to book partial profits. All these things will be covered in the tape reading tool session. And there will be session on, means it will also cover how to use target based trade. Some people always want to know the target beforehand, that this is my stop loss, but I also want to know the target. So suppose somebody has bought at 100 rupees, wants to keep stop loss of 5 rupees and wants to keep target of 10 rupees. Those targets will also be visible automatically with this tape reading tool. But I don't follow target based method, because I have seen with my strategies, if we follow the trend, success rate may be slightly lesser, but it gives much more profits as compared to target based trades. Because if we miss one trade, which is in good momentum, we book profit maybe at 2 times reward, 3 times reward, and it goes on to give 100 times reward, and we may not get another opportunity to buy. So that is also possible. Therefore, I don't like trades based on target. But we have a method which can easily identify different types of targets. And we can ensure that favorable trade setup is always taken when risk reward is favorable. There will be exit strategy based on this. So we have to close the position when target is raised or when the stop is hit. And then I will show you different strategy results. Mostly when the trend following is done, success rate is just 40 to 45%, but profit factor means risk to reward is 4 to 20 times. So it has higher potential for rewards. When we are following a trend, risk can be 1 rupee and reward can be 4 to 20 rupees, or 1% and 4 to 20%. That is possible. When we are taking breakout trades, there is success rate varies from person to person, and profit factor can be significant. So if the market is strongly bullish and we take very small stop loss trade, like the I start entries, that can easily give 1 is to 2 risk reward very frequently. For that, success rate can be increased, and to get 100 times reward, which is very much possible. With a stop loss of 2 to 3%, stocks can go much more than 200, 300%. And this is not exaggeration. So I have taken these kind of trades. That's why I'm telling. If we are risking 2%, we can take a profit of 200% also. So that is possible with breakout trading. And there will be mean reversion trading. So many people want to take high success rate trades. They want to have a success rate of more than 70%. For these kind of trades, profit factor is much smaller. So they are making maybe 0.5 times of risk taken to 1.5 times. Very rarely they will go for more than 2 times reward. So if we go for these kind of trades where success rate is much higher, the profit factor will be significantly lower. One has to select as per their mindset. And then we will have multi-time frame analysis, how to identify long-term trades, how to identify medium-term trades, how to identify short-term trades, and how is overall long-term trend. If we are in buying trend on higher time frame, we can look for trend reversals. All these things will be discussed in this multi-time frame analysis. And we have different time frames which can be selected. There are usually higher time frame, lower time frame, and intermediate time frame. What does that mean? If we want to invest, we have to take decisions on weekly chart, but we can check monthly or quarterly charts also. Like investors want to check the three reports which come every 3 months. So that will be their higher time frame. Same way we can check quarterly charts. When they want to study the news, they want to attend con calls and all those things. That can be kind of monthly trades, monthly analysis. And then there are some important news which are which come in between to give entries. So that can be weekly chart. So this way we can analyze multiple time frames and we can take decisions for investment also. And there will be market volatility which can be adjusted based on current market conditions, and it will be very well visible on the chart, and it can be adjusted with time frames. So if somebody wants to take positional trades with daily chart, they can use weekly charts for analysis and bias, and they can take entries based on daily charts. 2 time frames will be enough. Those who want to go for high frequency type of trading, intraday trading, smaller time frame trading, they will use 15-minute charts for analysis and 3 minute or 1 minute time frame for entries. When there is some volatile event like budget or uh, election results, on those days 1 minute time frames also work wonders. And most of the times 3 minute, 5 minute they are good. So these time frame selection we'll discuss. So this will be covered in our technical analysis part. Those sessions will be for 2 to 3 weeks, and then we'll go to fundamental analysis. I don't use fundamental analysis because I am fond of technical analysis, but I have studied different types of fundamental analysis before going on to uh, finalize my method of technical analysis. So in fundamental analysis, there are different people who use different methods. There is Mark Minervini who uses both things, fundamental as well as the technical analysis. He looks for profit growth, margin growth, sales growth. So what are these things? We'll discuss in fundamental analysis. We'll discuss some part of Cancelim by William O'Neill. What are the advantages, disadvantages of these things? Then I will tell you what is my criteria for fundamental analysis based on promoter holding and all those things. And then we'll see SME investments where people are very interested uh, many times to find multi-baggers. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of SME investments? I don't have too much knowledge of SME investment, but recently I came across somebody who is doing it very well. So these things will be discussed, and then we'll move to third part, which will be options analysis. In that, we'll study what is option chain analysis. Then we'll study what is IV, what are option premiums. I have already shared 6 to 7 sessions videos with pre-launch, and they are also available on YouTube. You can watch those videos. This will be this will not be very detailed session. It will be covered in short, and then we'll discuss about types of option trades. So that will be more important. For bullish market, one can do call buying, one can do put selling. For bearish market, put buying can be done or call selling can be done. For neutral market, there will be different strategies. For volatile market, there will be different strategies. So we'll discuss when to use which kind of strategy. And if suppose you want to do covered call, the tape reading tool shows this is the resistance area. If you do covered call at that level and market stays there for a month, you will make very good profit, and that will be successful. But if market is moving higher and there are very good chances of it going more than 30-40%, and you do covered call at that time, your profit will be limited. So understanding technical analysis and understanding the levels where covered call will be good, that is very helpful. Then people also do put selling, naked put selling, or cash secured puts for investment purpose. So if you know what is the actual level where one can look for investment, then do put selling at that level, not as based on premiums, but based on levels. So if that level comes, you'll be able to invest. If it doesn't come, you will make some profits. So that kind of things will be discussed. And these are highly precise things based on tape reading tool. And then we will have directional strategies. So in directional strategy, there can be option selling, which is naked selling, or it can be hedge selling, which is called as spread. So strike selection, expiry selection, and different types of Greeks which are important will be discussed in that. And option buying, directional option buying will also be discussed. This can be very important for intraday traders who want to have daily profits, which is not possible, but who want to have daily trades or momentum based trades, and they should be available or on the charts at that time when the momentum is happening. That's why I say that it is not for us to do it. For us, better is to use higher time frames and work peacefully and trade peacefully. But those who have time and interest, they can use tape reading tool, and there will be a very good setup which I will tell that can be used for option buying. Even for option selling, directional option selling, I will tell you one important trade setup. So we don't want to discuss too many trade setups to confuse, just good setups which can be which we can select, and that will be based on tape reading tool, so it will be easier to understand, easier to execute. And then there is a strategy called as synthetic futures. It is similar to futures buying or selling. I advise this only in indices, not in options, not in stocks. And synthetic futures is basically alternative for futures. And if you want to take larger positions, it is possible with synthetic futures. There is less slippage and there is less brokerage and margin, not margin, brokerage and taxes. Because for one lot of future, maybe 250 to 300 rupees is the expense. But for one synthetic future, it will be at the most 100 rupees. And if you do 10 futures, it will be 2200. Whereas for 10 synthetic futures, it will just be less than 200 rupees. So there is significant difference because there are a lot of taxes. So synthetic futures will be discussed, and then we'll discuss some non-directional strategies like iron condor, butterfly, calendar spreads. But these will be in the videos which I'm giving you. We are not going to discuss everything in the class because it will be too cumbersome. Those who want to go for multiple strategies understanding, they can use these videos and study those strategies. Everything is not used all the time. And after options, we'll understand risk management. We have to dominate ourselves. So we must know risk management. We must understand position sizing. We must understand stop loss to protect our capital. And we there is a concept of risk per trade, risk per week. If we limit our losses, then profits will take care of themselves. So it many times we see the message that don't cut the trees, they will grow by themselves. Don't clean the rivers, they will clean themselves. Just don't make it dirty. Similarly, if we cut the losses, profits will take care of themselves. So losses should be very small, and that we'll discuss. And we'll discuss what is different type of diversification. So this will be in dominate part, and tools execution is the deployment part. So I have developed different types of tools. One is enhanced order management system for options trading, and it is very easy to manage options trades because I have created this tool for myself. And in this, what happens, our stop loss is fixed, our target is fixed, and we can trail the stop loss. In this way, I can just leave it to the computer to manage the trades, and it will take care of my losses. It will take care of my profits. Many times, what I have seen, that if I have decided I will exit at loss of 5,000, and because of some reason I am not available at that time, or because of some reason I am paralyzed. My mind gets paralyzed that I will wait for some retracement. I don't want to exit at 5,000. I want to exit at 2,000 rupees. Now the loss is 6,000 rupees. It will come up and I will exit at some minimal losses. These things happen many times. So tool will exit at your predefined loss, whatever happens. After that, it may come up or it may go down. But when I do it manually, earlier when I used to do it manually, I have noticed that instead of losing 5,000, I used to lose 10,000, 12,000, 15,000 also in same trade. So that way, this helps a lot. Then I have developed a set tool. Set means stop loss entry target. In that, I can enter my levels looking at tape reading tool that I want to buy at this level. This is my entry level, buy or sell, whatever. And then I can keep my stop loss. I can keep my target. This tool will execute entry if it comes to entry level. If it completes the target before entry, if it completes the target before entry, it will not take the entry. If suppose I have placed order before market opens and market opens below our stop loss, then order will not get executed, it will not get triggered. So all these things are taken care of in this. Sometimes what happens, price is in between the stop loss and target, stop loss and entry point. We want to take it as a market order on confirmation, but before that stop is hit. So those kind of trades will also not get executed. So that is kind of automation which I'm looking for, which I'm trading. And then I will discuss about options trading platforms, different types of platforms where we can get some important data to do analysis and to save our time. So that's all about the part which we are going to cover. And this will be a lot of time saving because analysis is ready made on the charts. It is available on the charts. And earlier, suppose I used to spend maybe 10 hours every week or 2 to 3 hours every day for analysis. Now I just spend 10 minutes. I have done this thing so that I can just check the chart. I know the levels automatically. I don't have to do eyeballing. I don't have to do all the markings. Everything is ready made. And we have a group of our trained Wyckofians where everybody at least keeps on sharing their charts, and we get more than 1 or 2 trades every day, which is far more than what we need. Okay. Anyone has any questions so far? I have allowed participants to unmute. Does anyone have any questions?
What
Prashant,
is the final time?
Yeah, Khadke sir, what is your question?
Time. What will be the time of the course?
We'll start at around 8:30 a.m. and finish by 11:30, and course will start from 1st September.
Okay.
Yes, Abhay?
Prashant, will the meetings will be recorded so that we can
Yes, everything will be recorded. It will be available on the website.
okay. And these tools you are talking about, are you going to provide us with the tools?
That will come in further presentation. I will tell everything about it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes. Any
Yeah.
other questions?
There are many. I mean, there are option strategy. There are courses are so much divided. I mean, if I want to learn technical analysis, what should I enter into? Which course should I enter into?
So I will describe it. I will tell you just in few minutes
Thank
about the courses. What are different courses available, and what is the part which will be covered. Yeah. So all the four courses which are labeled as Decode, Deploy, Dominate, all the content will be same, but the time frame, time availability, and some features will be different. I will explain everything. But about the part which we are going to cover, is there any question? Whatever we have described, everything will be covered in all four packages, all different courses. Same thing will be covered. Okay, I'll go ahead. E margin.
Total duration of the course will be 2 to 3 months.
Yes, 2 to 3 months, 8 to 10 weeks. And as there will be question and answer session also. Wyckofian principles will not be covered because if we want to go ahead with Wyckofian principles, we have to understand all the details, minute details, how the candles form and what is the meaning of widespread candles, small candles, large candles, how to interpret volumes. It takes at least 20 sessions, just pure price action. Too much of technical words, difficult to understand. So, Anil sir, you can ask in simplest words, what do you want to understand? What do you want to ask?
No, for a very novice person, how to proceed?
So, what we have done is we have created a group, and those who are very novice, who are very new to the market, who don't know anything, I have created some videos how to place orders, how to check the charts, and I have provided some PDF files where you can study about different things, because it is too basic thing which cannot be covered in the course. The duration will get increased and cost will get increased unnecessarily. And you can study yourself and ask the questions in group. Nowadays, there are so much resources for these basic things that it is unnecessary to cover in the course. But we can discuss in the group. Whichever question you have, we can answer that in group.
So should we study the PDF first and then join the course?
Yeah, you can see now there is 1 month time duration left for the course, and we are launching it beforehand because we want to prepare those who want to attend the course. If they are not prepared beforehand, they don't know anything. Like you are saying, the words are very technical and we are not understanding anything, then it will be
Yes.
difficult for them to cope up.
Hmm.
So because of that, we have created the group and we have shared the book names to understand basic things. I had shared there is lot of material on Zerodha Varsity also. So that can give you information about the stocks and what are basic terminologies. I will also create one PDF file of different basic terminologies and I can share that.
Thank you. Thank you. I
If
would
you
like to
study just
study that
one
one.
thing, yeah, if you
Yes.
study one thing and you have any confusion, you can ask the question in our main group also, so that others who don't know, they will also come to know about it.
Okay. So can you tell me the name of the book, please?
Are you in the group?
Uh, I'm on this group. Uh,
Dean group?
Doctors Equity and Assess Network, Dean Group.
Yes, yes, yes. So I will share the group name for books. I will also share PDF file in the group.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Wyckofian principle session will be covered only in the mentorship group because it requires longer duration. It will not be short duration course, Aprajita ma'am. Wyckofian's principles can be taught when we know other basic things like how candles form and what is small candle, what is large candle. There is a basic appropriate structure for that. But even without that, if you want to trade, you can use this and you can trade. And you can also do that course after joining this course. I will tell how to do it. So let us see what are different packages and pricing. First is the basic course where price is 17,000 rupees. And those who join this course, they will have access for recordings. So it will be totally recorded session. There will be no online, means live session will not be available for this. This is for those who just want to have some course at their leisure time and want to study that course. If you are not able to attend live sessions and just want to see the recordings, this will give you very convenient way, and you can register for this after 1st September when the course actually starts. And with this, we are giving you access for tape reading tool for 1 month, and you can check the course. You can go through all the videos. Once you complete your all the sessions, after that tape reading tool will be useful. So we'll give you access for 1 month whenever you request. But first, you should complete that video course. That will be more useful. Then there is essential package. It is a package with 30,000 rupees cost. There will be live sessions. All the sessions will be recorded. Access to live sessions and recordings will be available for 8 months. Means live sessions, as far as they go on, 2 to 3 months, you will be able to attend all the live sessions. If you are not able to attend the live sessions, you can go and check the recording. Recordings will be available for 8 months. And you can take access to tape reading tool whenever you want. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. Then after essential package, there is professional package. The cost of professional package is 30,000 rupees. Here you can have access to video recording for 1 year, and you can attend next batch live one more time. So here, after joining the course, one can attend the course 2 times. Those people who want to revise during live sessions and ask questions during live sessions, this will be very useful for them. They can attend once, they can watch the videos, and after that, after their experiments, if they find something not useful or if they have some doubts, they can join the live sessions again and ask the questions. For this, there will be group access for doubt solving for 1 year. And there will be access to tape reading tool, which will be useful for swing trading as well as for investment. So it will work on weekly chart and daily chart. The access will be available for 3 months. And after attending this course, if you want to do mentorship course, then there will be 50% discount on the mentorship on this course. So for mentorship program, if you are paying 30,000, then 15,000 will be deducted. And today we have a promotional offer where you will have some discount also. So this price will get discounted if you registered today itself. And then finally, there is elite package. In this, the price is 40,000 rupees, and all the features of professional package are available in this. Along with this, additional benefits are the discount for mentorship program will be 100% of this course price. So how much, whatever amount you pay today, that will be deducted from the mentorship course. Then tape reading tool will be available for swing trading, investment, as well as for intraday charts. And the access will be for 3 months. So you can check the tool for all time frames, everything, and you can have access for all the courses. Along with this, you will also have access to options courses recorded videos for 1 year. And the best part is we have refund policy. Those who have done pre-launch registration, and though if they don't like it, they can ask me refund and I will refund their entire money today itself. Those who join today for the course and they are not satisfied after technical analysis part is over, so 80% fees will be refunded to them, and maximum deduction will be 3,500. So 20% is deducted, but suppose you have paid 40,000 rupees and you want your refund after 2 sessions, after technical analysis is over. Actual deduction will be 8,000, but maximum deduction will be 3,500. So whichever course you choose, maximum deduction will be 3,500. Minimum will be as per 80% fees. And if you go for 4 sessions, so technical is done, fundamental discussion is done. After that, if you cancel, you don't like it, you can take 50% refund. And at that time also, maximum deduction will be just 10,000. So if you have registered for 40,000, you will get 30,000 back. If you have registered for 30,000, if you get discounted amount, from that only maximum of 10,000 will be deducted. So this is our refund policy. And those who have already registered for pre-launch offer, for them we are giving the tape reading tool access to 1 year, and that will be visible on 1 year chart, weekly charts. So they can use that for investment purpose. They can check for 1 year, and they will be able to understand if it works for them or not. If they don't feel it is good, they can discontinue. And if they want for access for positional trading, then they can take access for 6 months, which will have weekly and daily chart visibility. So this will be available for 6 months. And if you are looking for intraday trading as well, intraday charts also, then we'll give you the access to complete tool, which will have access only for 2 months. So that is the benefit of pre-launch offer. And then we have different tools which will be available after the course. These tools are enhanced order management system, which I discussed for managing the options positions. This can be easily used for managing the options trades, and we don't have to be online at that time. The software can manage the trades. Maximum risk will be defined, maximum profit will be defined, and there will be trailing stop loss. I have also uploaded the video for this, and it is available on my YouTube channel. You can watch that. I have shared this video multiple times also. Another tool is Set Tool. Set Tool will also be free. Both these tools will be free with account opening because it is linked to that particular account. So if you open the account, you will get both the tools available for that account, and you can manage your positions. Those who don't want to open the account, we have another tool. It is indicator based set tool. It will work on trading view. So this can also help you placing orders like stop loss, entry, and target. And this will also be discussed during the course, and this will be available for everyone for lifetime. So these are free tools which will be available, and there will be subscription basis tools available. So these are the tools, means the tool is same, the tape reading tool, but uh, those who are just interested in investment, those who don't want to do intraday trading, or those who don't want to do positional trading, they just want to do investment, they can use the investment purpose tool, which will be visible only on weekly chart. The subscription will be 10,000 rupees per year for this. Those who want to have positional trading based on daily charts and weekly charts or higher time frame, what minimum time frame for this will be daily charts. You will be able to check this on daily chart. For this, subscription will be at 15,000 rupees per year. And those who want to trade every day or intraday trades or short-term trades or BTST kind of trades, 75-minute charts, 15-minute charts, then this is the tool for them. They can use this, but the subscription charges are 5,000 per month. Along with this, there will be a screener which will show multiple charts. Multiple charts means multiple names at a time, and what is the trend. So suppose we are checking Bank Nifty, at that time we can also check what is happening in Bank Nifty calls, what is happening in Bank Nifty puts. That can be used to trade options. And we can also check Bank Nifty, along with we can check different names of banks which are available, and we can have a overall view of banking sector, or we can check Nifty and important stocks of Nifty. We can check one particular sector. We can have multiple names of that sector, which is bullish, which is bearish. So that thing can be done with this screener. But all these things are available for lifetime with mentorship course. And then most important thing is discount. Today is Friendship Day offer. If you registered today, then you can avail 25% discount, which is open for all. So this 25% discount will be available for all the options, all the choices. And if you register for elite course, which is 40,000 rupees, by taking this discount option, you will be able to register with 30,000 rupees. And we already have one registration done for this today, before the launch of course. And that is for new member. Already 75 members are registered for the course. They are from mentorship batch, they are from alumni, and they are from my batch. So remaining people can use this discount coupon for today. And those who have done registration for pre-launch offer, they can use this flat 8,000 rupees discount. So if you want to book any package less than elite, so you can use this flat and you will get flat discount of 8,000. If you want to use elite, you can use this discount code and you will get discount of 10,000 rupees. So this is comparison of package. In this, if you are choosing recording only type of course, there will be 17,000 rupees cost, and it will be available for 4 months. Only recordings will be available, and 1 month tool will be available, which will be visible on weekly chart. Essential will be available at price of 23,000, where duration is increasing. It will be 8 months access, and one can attend live session once, not twice, just once. And tape reading tool will be available for 1 month. For professional and elite, there will be separate group for 1 year. There will be doubt solving in that group also, and the access will be for 12 months. Video access will be for 12 months. You can attend it once again. After attending this course, you can join next time also to solve your any questions. And I have noticed that people when join second time learn more, and they are aware of the many things. They have many questions which can get resolved during second session. So that's why I have kept this option also. If you want to attend it second time, you can attend second time also. There will be group for 1 year, and you can watch the videos for 1 year. And tool available for this will be swing type tool, which will be visible for daily chart and higher above daily chart. And there will be 50% discount on this. So if you book with 8,000 rupees discount, means that will be 22,000 rupees total price. And for mentorship, from that 22,000, 11,000 will be deducted. But if you book this 40,000 rupees, 10,000 is a discount for registering today, and you will get it for 30,000. If you register for mentorship in coming days, then that 30,000 will be deducted. And for this, you are getting 3 months extended tape reading access. So 3 months whole access. You will get it for intraday, monthly, and daily, intraday and all time frames. It will be available for elite group joining. And that's it. So does anyone have any questions?
There is a mentorship program in the dean.
Mentorship course will be next year. Mentorship program will be conducted next year now.
Okay, if we have to join,
And this is also part of mentorship. So what we are doing is, those who have attended mentorship course, it is part for them. We are refining the discussions which is done during the mentorship, so that they can have very concise information.
so if I want to join the mentorship program in the long run, future, which course would be professional?
That
or
will be declared next year, because right now we are already through that mentorship program halfway. More than that, we have already done 20 sessions, means the course is actually over, and we are in the practice and revision sessions for that course with this. So next mentorship course will come next year. But the registration done by Dr. Neeraj Raite is for elite course. He wants to join mentorship. So he has done registration for elite course right now, and he will extend it next time.
Okay. And we'll get the access from the Dean app, or where do we get the mentorship?
Yes, you can get access from Dean app. You will be able to watch the videos on our website on your laptop, or you can have access on your iPad, on your tablet, on large screen, or you can watch on mobile also.
But in my Dean app, only 5 courses are visible, amongst which I am not getting the professional and the elite part. So how do I get access to that?
I think it should be visible. You can refresh and check, or you can send the screenshot, because it should be visible. Let me check on the mobile. Are you checking from mobile?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just log into my another device.
Dr. Prashant, can I add here? Okay.
Yes, Somen sir.
Yes. In case of Dr. Joita, I can suggest you can join as a elite. Okay. Then you can extend your mentorship program in the next year. That will be the better option for you. Dr. Joita?
Yeah, actually, I'm not getting the elite. I have
Okay.
sent the screenshot.
Yeah,
You
just
will
a
get,
minute.
you will get. Don't worry.
Let me get it done. I am also not able to check it. There must be some error. Let me check. So these are the discount codes available. Just 2 hours ago, Dr. Neeraj Raite has done it. I don't know what happened now.
I've sent a screenshot in the team group also.
Yes, I'm checking from my other device. I'm not able to see that now. I'm setting it from another laptop. Just a minute. It is published. It should be visible. What I will do is I will share the link. Okay. Let me check. Okay, I have pasted the link in group. Can you check that?
I've got the link.
Yes.
Okay.
It's opening with the link.
Yes.
So I will share link for all. Oh,
I can buy it now itself.
yes. Does
Sir,
anyone have any questions?
sir, what is duration of mentorship course?
Oh, it keeps on going. We have completed 20 sessions and further, I think at least 10 sessions will be required to complete whole course. And believe me, people keep on joining even after completing it. So as such, it is a learning process which is ongoing. As long as you are interested, you can keep joining. But to complete whole course, it takes at least 30 to 35 weeks.
And what is total price for that?
It is around 1.5 lakhs. But then we will give, there are many different indicators, and those we have not discussed till now. There are many screeners. I have developed at least 5 different strategies. So we cover all those things in that mentorship also. So basically, it saves lot of time. Once you go through the course, the time of analysis is saved in such a way that you can save, if you are very much interested in trading daily, you can save at least 2 hours of analysis time in a week. That is minimum. If you know some people who are fundamental analysis, who are doing fundamental analysis, they are using their time of 2 to 3 hours every day for studying about markets, reading different books and reading many things. So if you are investing your 2 to 3 hours every day, you can imagine how much time you are spending there. Those who are doing analysis by themselves, they are spending at least 1 hour every day. That is minimum. And if you are using technical analysis for suppose Nifty 500 charts, Nifty 500 stocks, how many stocks can you analyze in 1 hour? At the most, you will be able to analyze 20 stocks, not more than that.
Prashant sir,
Yes, Dilip sir.
yes, I have just registered Elite course. It is showing
Yes.
in your app. Elite
Yeah,
course.
I have shared the link in the group also, on WhatsApp group also. And
No, in my app I also just now registered.
so
Elite
you have registered, you are saying.
and paying also, just pay.
Answer.
Yeah. Yes, your name
Ah.
is visible. Dr. Dilip has purchased it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But in my case, I'm trying to place buy now order and it is saying user limit reached.
User limit reached.
Yeah. So this.
Okay, can you send the screenshot? I will send it to the tech team.
I tried to get the screenshot, but it vanished. But I can show you how far I've reached.
Okay.
Yes, I've got the discount, everything. When I'm placing the order, the OTP is coming. But yeah.
Okay, just a minute. What I will do is I will create one landing page also. There will be no limit for that. Create new page, course page. So this landing page will be available only for today and only for elite course. Okay, I'm sharing the link for that.
Shan sir,
Yes, sir.
I was opened your iOS app. It shows 5 courses. One of them is mentorship batch,
Uh-huh.
which is 50,000. What is that? Is it different from Elite?
No, mentorship batch means you will be able to watch the videos of previous course. It is similar to the basic one for this course.
Okay.
You'll
Okay,
be
then
able to watch the videos. You'll be able to complete online course, but there will be no group discussion. There will be no group support.
okay, okay. So for this Elite registration, we have to just follow the link which you have given.
Yes, yes. I have just given the link in the group. You can follow that.
Sir,
Yes.
the videos available in the course that we have just taken up for which we had paid 2000 something, which was
Yes.
pre-launch offer. In that, few
Yes.
videos are there. Are those the
Yes.
same videos that we are talking about, or they're different, sir?
No. These are for basic preparation. Those
Okay.
are videos of options course, and
Yeah.
those are for basic preparation about understanding about the options. This course will be totally different. The
Okay.
videos are not available to anyone till now.
Okay. So what would you suggest At present, sir, as a newcomer, which course is more beneficial to be taken up?
See, I have only two courses. One is this, which is coming now. This will also cover everything. Everything means basic important things which can be used for investment purpose, and just few simple things which can be used. Let us go to the charts. I will show you the charts. Okay. So let me show the charts. This will be useful. This is a chart of ACE, action construction, on weekly time frame. And this is how the tape reading tool looks. Is it visible? Let me check. Yeah, this is visible. So can you see this? Can you see this green candle? Let me make it better. Can you see these green candles now?
Yes, yes.
So in this, what we are going to do, this tape reading tool will be used to describe when we can use it for investment purpose. This is the time when candle color changed to green. I have taken it one candle later on. So this is the time when candle color turned to green. Next candle open is the entry. So this will be entry. Now, if we use this simple strategy, it has given 1300% return in 1200 days. Means almost 3.5 years. 174 bars means, yeah, 3.5 years. It has given 1300% return till here. And all the candles are either green or yellow. So this simplistically tells us when the color is green, just buy and keep on holding as long as color is green. When it turns to red, we have to exit. So 780 is the level below which we have to exit. So this is as simple as this. And we are going to discuss how to use this, when to buy when on the green color, when to buy when color changes to green. You may have noticed some people give a call that this is a good level to buy right now, or this is a level which if breaks, then prices are likely to move rapidly, or you buy immediately at this level, and if it falls further, maybe if you have bought at 100, they will say that buy again at 80, buy again at 77, and exit everything if it falls below 65, something like that. So that kind of things will be covered. So it is very basic thing. If you see this Adani ENT, it has given around 858% return in 800 days. So it is significant gain. And we are checking from this candle's top, not at the bottom. We are not checking from this bottom. Uptrend, even though it started here, but we notice it later on. So this is trend following. When we notice it here, we buy. When it turns red, we just exit at this candle. How much is the gain? 800% in 800 days. So this is what can be possible. Another chart, ADSL, it has given 200% in 440 days. Again, 120% in 385 days. There was some downwards time period. So we can avoid this sideways time. Suppose it is from here to here. It is around 490 days. So for 490 days, how much is the gain? Not much, just few percentages. Instead of that, if we get something like this, maybe 100%, 200% in that 490 days again, the compounding will be much better. So these things will be discussed during the course. This is how we can use. Another chart, Agarwal Industries. So there is this move of 500% gain in 1000 days. 3 to 4 years, and it is giving 500% gain. All the stocks will not give gain like this. See, there is this kind of a big downtrend. So when we exit here, sometimes what happens, people feel that there is red candle, but again it went up. But see here, it turned red. After that, it did not go up even for a day, even for 1 week. It kept falling continuously. How much is the fall? This is almost 89% fall, 90, more than 90% fall. So it is 90.23% fall after our exit. We cannot predict these things beforehand. We are not fortune tellers. Many people may be telling that this is a top, this is a bottom, this may happen, that may happen. I may not be able to tell that, but I can show you what I follow, and I can also show what will be the result if you follow the simplest method of buy on green, exit on red. The results are available with strategy, and the success rate will also be available. It is not definitely not 100% success rate. None of the strategies will have 100% success rate. But when we add some clues to it, we can increase the success rate. Basic success rate for 15-minute chart is 42% for Bank Nifty. But even after that, the profit is much more than any other strategies which I have tested.
Sir, I
So
could.
this will be useful for intraday trading as well. Yes, ma'am.
I have. I could pay the fees. I
Okay, okay. So you have registered for the course.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
also registered. Sam.
Yes, Dr. Pratik Raut has registered.
But Prashant,
Yes,
Abhay here.
Abhay.
Uh, hmm, what you have shown on these charts, it is a retrospective analysis on these all 3-4 charts that you have shown.
So I have done retrospective. I have also done prospective. Accordingly, I am developing this tool for more than 1.5 year now. I have made many changes in this, and I cannot show you future, but I can show you past. How many times it has worked, how many times it has not worked, and from that we can decide how to take the trades in future. Now, somebody from the mentorship group, uh, Somen sir, are you available, Somen sir? So analysis is always on the past data. Even if we do fundamental analysis, it cannot be on future data. We are just expecting that it will move in future. And we think that there is good business opportunity in this and it may grow. Similarly, here we from past we are thinking that it has behaved in this manner in the past and it can continue to do so in future. Therefore, we need stop losses. Therefore, we need risk management. And there are very good chances. See, even in past, if you see, it has gone up from here to here and it has given exit in this red candle. And it works multiple times. So there is just start of this move. It gave green candle and red candle. There was some stop hunting. Again, entry could have been possible here or here. From here, it has gone up. Again, same thing. From here, it has gone up. So it will not work every time, but there is a probability that even if it works for 40% times. Suppose we'll check some other chart. See, here we have one chart where how much is the gain? This is actually a negative gain. There was a loss of 6% and loss of lot of time here. But next time when it has gone up, what happened? It has gone by 1300%. So in 1000 days, if it goes up by 1300%, this kind of loss will be overtaken. It will be easily means compensated. And there are many different things. Many people give names of stocks based on fundamental analysis. Suppose you know the company is very good fundamentally, but from this you'll be able to know when to buy. So you can use your different things. You can add two things. You can use fundamental analysis and use this for entry method. So that can increase your success rate also. Therefore, Mark Minervin is a concept of super performance that will be useful, which we are covering.
Okay, fine.
And in that entire course, which we cover in mentorship, we discussed lot more things. There are more than 20 sessions where we discuss what is accumulation, what is distribution, how to identify them. Then this tool, which is visible at the bottom, it is called as comparison of two charts. Compare two charts. It shows when the stock starts outperforming, when it is underperforming, and when we have to keep holding, when we have to exit. All these things, we have to combine 2-3 things. So this course will cover only one thing, tape reading tool, simplest thing, Just this will be your success rate, this will be your entry, this will be your exit based on simple rules. Whenever we follow a method based on rules, it has lower success rate, but it has more chances of following. So it is like the example which I had shared about Vinod Kambli, Rahul Dravid, and Sachin Tendulkar. So Vinod Kambli can be taken as a person who is taking trades based on discretion or trades based on the मन मर्जी. मेरे मन में आया मैंने ले लिया. It can go up by 1000%, it can go by 10,000%, or it may go to 90% loss. It depends entirely on stock to stock. But when we follow a method, this method is like Rahul Dravid playing. We know how is the performance, how is likely to play, and based on the scenario, we take the trades. And then if we want to add our own things, add our own discretion, then we have to learn some more things, which will take more time. And it is ever evolving process. Market conditions keep changing, but we can check on, I have checked this on multiple time frames. I'll tell when to buy on retracement, when to buy on breakout. All these things will be covered. So there will be a lot of things to cover here. See here again, we can see stock has gone up by 150%, then 400%. There was one loss here. See, there is up move, then it actually hit the loss. So we have to exit here. We don't have to see this drawdown. And again, we have entry at similar level here. So this drawdown period or loss making period can be avoided. And there are many things which can help us take entries, and we can add certain things in this also by our experience. See, this stock has gone up by 2000%. So when the market are bullish, overall conditions are good, we can get good opportunities. Okay.
वो अपना कोर्स बेच रहा है अभी हो गया
हाँ।
मेरा काम सब लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं
Sir,
Okay.
one question that once you have posted on the Telegram group that you are going to have a Bank Nifty short course, is it incorporated
Yeah,
in, or you are having
yes,
some
yes.
courses?
This will be incorporated into it. So as I told you that options will be covered, and this will also work on Bank Nifty 15 minutes. So I will tell you Bank Nifty. So this chart can also be used on Bank Nifty. We can see here the trend started going down. From here, trend started going up. And this is the area where we can look to book profits. The levels are already printed on the chart. We can go short here because downtrend had started here. All these things will be discussed during the course. When to buy, where to book profits, where to keep holding. And I have also created a strategy which can show the results of following the rules. How can we expect the results?
So then from 1st February, the course will start from 8:30 and it will last till about 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 11:30 from 1st September.
And the course, how many courses and all, we'll get to know eventually after reading them.
How many?
How many weeks, how many courses, sessions can we attend, classes?
You can attend it for 2 years. Sorry, 2 classes, 2 sessions. 2 sessions means this complete course, and again next time whenever I conduct same course, you can attend that also.
Okay.
For mentorship, it is different. You can continue attending for 4 to 5 years if you like it.
And the duration of this course, sir, till how many months?
It will be 8 to 10 weeks. 8 to 10 weeks.
Okay. And this chart, chart, then how do we access? I mean, it is in the course itself, you'll teach us, sir?
Yes, how to use this we'll discuss during the course, and from that you can understand.
And here, little bit of options are covered or not?
Yes, we'll cover the options, when to buy the options and when to sell the options. That will be covered.
Okay, and once the mentorship course will start, then we can just tell you to include.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So Mahajan
Uh,
sir, you are having a issue with link and email. Okay, let me check what is the problem. Dr. Pratik Raut has registered only for recordings. Actually, it will start from September, so you will have access to the recording after that.
Prashant, sir.
Yes, Dilip sir.
At the time of pre-launch, you have to share the link for two account opening,
Yes,
Alice
yes,
Blue and Fryer.
yes, yes.
Your tool will work on that account, or I have opened for that.
Yeah, so Alice Blue account will be useful for options trading, and
Yeah,
the order
Fryers.
management tool and set tool both will work on that tool, that account.
Okay, no, thank you.
Yogesh, is it possible to get access only to tape reading tool? Yeah, it is possible. You can take only tape reading tool access as a subscription basis, not a problem.
And Prashant, sir, one more question.
Yes, yes.
For Elite program, tab reading tool will work for intraday, swing, and
Yes, yes,
weekly
yes. It will be for 3 months.
3 months
Yes.
for Elite.
I would suggest you to take it after completion of the course,
Okay.
or
Okay, sir.
at least after 2 sessions are done of tape reading, because then you will know how to use it.
Okay.
So, can we know the success stories of people already using the tape reading tool? Do we have Prashant Desai sir is here? Prashant sir, can you tell how is the tape reading tool? How do you find the course?
Sir, it is excellent. It changed whole thinking process of trading, and I am doing trading since many years. But after doing this course, it is not finished yet. But I have changed my techniques, and according to that, I get very good profit. Uh, Particularly in last 2 months, I got almost my total fees recovered by just this step reading tool and Prashant sir's course techniques. You have to learn from basic. That is the main thing, because
Yes.
fundamental our basic. If you are doing trading since long, then you are already uh,
You
doing.
have to unlearn few
But
things.
yeah, unlearn many things, and
Yes.
main सब सबसे important चीज emotion है.
Yes, yes, yes.
You have to get rid of your emotions first.
And this tool
That
will help in getting rid of emotions, because it will show
I'm
when
still
you should.
learning. I am
Yes,
still
yes.
learning. I have done many mistakes during this course also, but that's just because of my emotion. Otherwise, if I follow the tape reading tool perfectly, then I will be much more having much more profit right now. But this course fee will be recovered in only maybe 1 or 2 months of your using this tape reading tool. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. I will show you one interesting poll which I had conducted. Just a minute. So I conduct a poll in my Telegram group, and it is anonymous poll. So we don't know who has posted, who has uh, who has voted and who has not, but it is only in the mentorship group. So only people who have attended the course can vote for that. And let me share that screen. So this is the screen. Is this visible? So this was
Yes, yes.
conducted on July 28. I had asked at the end of this course, and without use of any indicator. At this time, we had not used indicator. Tape reading tool indicator is not yet covered for this batch. So I had asked. Today's session was also pending. So today we discussed relative and comparative analysis. And before conducting this session, I had asked if you want to rate my course, how it will be. And there is 0 to 9. There are no votes here. All people have voted for 10 or bonus. So there are 16 votes. One is my vote for conducting the poll. Out of remaining 15, 8 have voted for 10, 7 have voted for 10 plus 1 bonus. And this is for previous batch which I had conducted for from 22 people. There was one vote for 8, there was one vote for 9, and then there were these many people who have voted for more than 10, 10 or more than that. So out of 22 votes, 1 for 8, 2 for 9. And this is anonymous vote. So there was no fear that I will see the result, who has voted for which, and I will take some action. There was nothing like this. I don't know who has voted for what. And this was very frank opinion of people.
This was from Elite course.
No, this was for mentorship course. So Elite course I am conducting for first time. This tape reading tool, I am developing this for last 1.5 years. And now I am going to describe it after completing all the research on this. This is basically based on price action. This is based on swing points, which we cover during the course. And to simplify that, I have coded it and made it in different colors.
So do you think
This will work on options also. Yes.
Do you think that it will be beneficial for the newcomers like me?
Yeah, you can use this for your investment purpose. You can use weekly chart check at end of the week and decide which stock you want to buy. Or if you are into investments or short-term tradings for few months, you can use daily chart and you can decide that this stock is now going up nicely. It is starting to move, and this will help you also. So even for newcomers, what is more important? This is the ongoing process where we learn. And this is the method where I can objectively show you what I use. There are many courses which can teach many good things. I don't say that my course is the best course. There can be many better people who are trading better than me. They are teaching better than me. But it also depends on students. Some students forget many things. They are not able to retain many things, or they don't have enough time to do all the markings. If I want to do all this analysis myself on this chart, I will require at least 10 minutes to do all the markings. Or with the experience which I have, at least it will take me 5 minutes minimum to identify everything on one chart. So for one chart, I will take 5 minutes. If I want to analyze 10 charts, it will take how much time? It will take 50 minutes. But now I can analyze 10 charts with just one roll of a click. Within 10 minutes, I can analyze at least 50 charts. Nifty 50 analysis can be done within 10 minutes. And earlier, I used to take more than 1 hour for that. So it saves a lot of time.
So, Dr. Prashant, one
If you
query,
learn good things from starting, it will be more useful.
yeah, this tool will work on TradingView, free
Yes,
version,
it will
or
work only on TradingView.
on free version,
But
or
it
we
can
need
work on
to.
free version. It can work on free version.
Okay.
Now, I will show you one more interesting thing. What I have done is, you may have seen this. Sometimes I share this kind of thing in the group. Poonawalla, RBL, Reliance, RTN India, Shopper Stop, Trident. So at a time, there are many stocks which are getting screened. Let me show you this. So here we are screening more than 100 stocks. There are 9 screeners. The names will come, and 9 screeners have 20 stocks each. Means 180 stocks are screened at a time.
বুঝতে পারবো, আমি তো একটু কম বুঝি ব্যাপারটা, চার্ট ফার্ট এত কিছু এখনো চলছে।
Yeah, so there are 20 stocks in one screen,
তোমাকে
and I'm
ডাকছি।
screening 180 stocks. How much time did I take to make my watch list? It is with just one click, I can get all the names.
But like we are using TradingView free version, it allows us to shortlist only 30 stocks.
Yes, yes. So, being in the group of mentorship people, there are all people who are sharing their charts, and I keep on sharing these things also. That helps. But even if you don't have access to all the tools, or if you don't have access to all the indicators, still using that tape reading tool, it can save you a lot of time. As I mentioned, I used to take 5 to 10 minutes to mark one chart. Now it can be done with just one click. So if you are having 30 stocks which you want to screen or analyze by any other method where you are doing all the work yourself manually, you will take at least 2 to 3 minutes for one chart. Minimum, that is minimum. For 30 stocks, you will require 90 minutes. If you are doing it daily, you are using 90 minutes daily. If you are using it weekly, you will take at least 1.5 hour every week. And this, with this, you can do that 30-minute 90-minute work in just maybe 10 minutes. It will save a lot of time for you.
Okay. Another query, you mentioned about some videos which we should see pre-workshop. So where are those
Yes, so
videos available?
yeah, so I had shared the videos in the group. I had shared the books also in the group, and I had shared some videos on that pre-launch offer group where you have access to options group. I will show it from website. Actually, it is. Let me share from other content store. So I will log in as a student from my other mobile and I will show.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Kailash sir.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Kailas Mane from Sir's first mentorship batch, and he teaches us from basic to pro level. If you learn only one setup of Sir, then you can got entry, stop loss, and target. In this tape reading tool, also you get this, and you don't have to follow or don't have to
master everything.
You can yes. So you have to only develop your psychology to follow your rules. If you follow your rules, that entry, exit, or target, then hello.
Yeah, yes, sir. You are audible.
Sir always give us more than he promised. These tools are not available for first mentorship batch, but sir develop it these tools in 1 year and gave us to us. So if you if someone else someone else hello.
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible.
Someone asking question that कि you are ये जो कोर्स है इससे आप बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हो कि नहीं, तो ये बहुत बेनिफिशियल कोर्स है। मेंटरशिप बैच तो इससे भी ज्यादा बहुत कुछ है। लेकिन ये जो कोर्स है ये भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। तो एवरीवन, मैं तो रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप सब लोग ये कोर्स ज्वाइन करो। थैंक यू सर।
Yes, thank you. So somebody has asked for review, and this is
Prashant
review
sir,
from Dr. Kailas Mani. Yes, Somen sir.
sorry, now my available.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes.
Thank you, Prashant sir, giving me the opportunity. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Actually,
yes.
uh, me with Kailash sir, we done our mentorship in 2022. Then we get the opportunity for revision in 2023. Now the third mentorship program is going on. And we can revise in every batch. And our strategy and our technical aspect is every time is improving. Okay. Uh, you can start with any course and just be with Oshan sir. The association with time, you everyone came to know the what sir is promise is giving more than his promise. Okay. Uh, uh, that indicator with time sir improved lots of indicator. There's a lots of strategy, but with time, everyone can have their own conviction. Okay, own comfort. You can trade. You can just start with any course, any that will be
Yes, thank you,
beneficial.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So Somen sir and Kailas sir, both of them and many other people, they keep posting their trades also. And I always say that master one thing. At least master one thing. Don't go for everything which is available. I teach so many things because everybody is not same. They want to know what is suitable for them. But unless we give our patient choice of three surgeries, three types of different implants, how will they choose? So I give options to everyone. These are the things which are possible. These can give profits in the market. And then you have to master it by practice, by back testing, by forward testing, by paper trading, by taking actual trades. And you develop a mindset that this is good for me. Like Kailash sir, he is doing trades based on spring and secondary test, and he is taking uh, trades on weekly charts. He is very active. He keeps checking the charts very every day, but he takes trades on weekly charts because he's more comfortable taking those trades. And he can take. He has posted some charts few months ago. Now he has started posting the charts of follow up. There is 2 times reward, 4 times reward, 20%, 50%, 100% gain. All these things are now coming up with time. So it takes time. The result will come. But if you know the method and if you follow it, it will be useful. Even for those who don't know anything, they can follow it. And everything I have taught is based on past data. It is not possible to teach what is going to happen in future. But from we can study from the past, and that can be used as a future. Markets have not changed. This method was taught in 1920 and 1920 to 1940. And Jesse Livermore was there. He was trading in early 19s. And from that, even now, I see same things on the chart.
One final
So,
question, sir.
yes,
Just
yes.
I want to know whether there will be separate course on Bank Nifty or that course is incorporated in these four courses.
It is incorporated because what happens is everything will be same. Just time frame will change. Bank Nifty analysis and all the stocks analysis on tape reading, it is same. The buying area will be same. It will be on 15-minute or 5-minute time frame for Bank Nifty. For stocks, it will be on daily time frame or weekly time frame. So just that part will change. Otherwise, every entry pattern, every exit pattern will be same. And for addition, we have options for Bank Nifty, how to take entries in options, how to trade Bank Nifty options, that will be additionally covered.
This course would deploy with starting on first September. Someone takes light, then when this elite course will be start?
This will start at same time. There is only one course. The
Oh.
difference is only access, time of access and features. Everything will be same. If you take recording only, you won't have access to live courses. You won't have access to group. If you take elite course, you will have access to group. You can watch the options videos also. You can attend the course one more time. You'll have access for detailed indicator. Uh, it will be available for intraday time frame, daily, weekly, all everything will be available with that.
No, just I want to know, just I have registered for launch offer. So
Yes,
it
yes,
started from 1st September. So if
yes,
I
yes.
light course, then after this 1st of September, when it will be started? That's why.
Elite course will start from 1st September.
Okay. So this both the course will be at the same time.
So it is just one course. Pre-launch was offer, and with that registration, you will get access to the tape reading tool for 1 year.
Okay.
If you take investment tool of weekly chart, you will get access for that tool for 1 year.
Okay, sir.
That is the advantage of joining as a pre-launch offer.
Oh, got it.
Pre-launch is not separate course, and basically we are giving it as a pre-launch. The pre-launch will have preparation group. We had shared book also. I had told people to read these books, watch those videos. So all these things were done there, and I had shared those things in common group also. So pre-launch is not a course; it is just a offer. Like today's offer of Friendship Day, it will end today itself. Pre-launch has already ended. Now it will not be available.
So with
This
pre-launch, this 1 year tape reading tool will be available with any of the packages, like whether it is elite or professional or what?
For elite and professional.
For elite and professional. Okay.
Yes.
And the 1 year will start from what date?
Next year.
No. The access you said that elite and professional course you will
Okay.
have access for 1 year. So that when the 1 year will start, I mean, means from what?
So
He's
after see, with elite and professional, we have given access of 3 months to the
Yeah.
tool.
Yeah.
Whenever they want, from that day, they can take the
Okay.
access
So
to the tool.
I will decide from what date I will have access to that tool.
Yes.
Okay. Once I'm confident enough, then I can access to that tool and continue
Yeah,
it
there
for
is
3
no
months.
point in giving access today because you will not be able to use it.
Yes, that's what I'm
So
asking.
that duration will be wasted. So when you know
So
that I
it is
want to
for
have
1 year
access
or
now,
3 months? Means there is a bit confusion.
Prashant
3
sir.
months is with, just 1 minute I will explain. 3
Yeah.
month is access for the course. Those who have registered for elite course, they will get access to the tools for 3 months.
Yeah.
For tools for 3 months, and those who have registered with pre-launch, they will access for 1 year.
Okay, so today I think whoever is here are all with the pre-launch offer only, I think.
Yeah, some may not be with pre-launch offer also. But
Okay.
all those who have pre-launch offer and they register today, they are getting additional discount with the prices. That offer will not be available tomorrow. But whenever you register, this pre-launch offer will be available and that 1 year access will be given.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Prashant sir.
today, these two offers are combined. Yes?
Can you please share
Yeah.
which books to be read again?
Yeah, I will share in the group.
You have told for pre-launch offer 1 year access for tape reading and elite
Yes.
offer 3 months. Okay. If
So
someone
both will be
has,
different.
yeah, for 1 year weekly and
Yes,
elite
1 year on weekly chart.
weekly, daily, sorry, 1 year weekly and elite daily swing and some all.
So for elite, every time frame it will be visible
Every
for 3 months.
if someone has a pre-launch and elite, then how will you assess?
So if you have pre-launch, you will get 1 year, and
Yeah.
if you have elite, you will get 3 months. So what it will be done? You will get 3 month access for all the indicators.
No.
After that,
No, my question is if someone has both, if
that's what I am answering.
Yeah.
So if you have both, you will get
Yeah.
first get 3 month access to all the time frames. After that, your 1 year will start.
Okay. And second question, I am doing the trading since 2 years. So can I get access when I want?
Yes, you can get access today also.
Okay. For that, I will message you. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And for that, which platform will be feasible for your trading?
Trading view.
Trading view. Free account, no?
Yes. Yes, free
Okay.
account works. Not a problem.
Okay. Thank you.
Is the group communication through WhatsApp or Telegram? And if it is WhatsApp, then is it the Dean group is the main group, or the Decode, Deploy, Dominate, that group is the main group for us?
So for this course, after the people register, I will form new group because all people in pre-launch may not register. If they register, they will join it. Or what I will do is more than 70 have already registered. So those who don't register today, I will remove them today. And when they join again, I will add them. So you can use Decode, Deploy, Dominate group as a main group for this course. Okay. So Dr. Namrata Biswas, yes, ma'am, your registration is confirmed. Dr. Alok Pandey confirmed. Dr. Jayita Roy confirmed. Vinod confirmed.
So
Lalit
it's
Sharma. Yeah.
around 30,788, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Those are handling charges by website.
I'm
Means,
registered for that.
yeah.
I'm Dr. Lalit Sharma. I have also paid. Just confirm.
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. I have taken your name. It is done. And you are asking where will be the videos available. So this is pre-launch. When you go to content, you can see all the videos here, options basic, and all these videos are available. And here in content, I have shared some more videos here. So these are for charts. You can go through all these videos also. These are simple trend lines, axis lines. So these charts will also be, these videos will also be important. So these are additional videos which are not covered in the course.
Sir, can you repeat how frequently will be the course during the week's time?
Sir, please
Every
check
week, every
registered
Sunday.
Anant Kumar Singh.
What?
Dr. Anant Kumar Singh just registered.
Okay. Yes, done. Yeah. Okay. So if anyone has any questions, I can answer, or else we can end the session. So, Lalit sir, have you seen this in the content options basics?
Frequency of the course I've asked you.
Yeah, frequency will be every Sunday morning 8:30 to 11 is the usual time. Sometimes it goes beyond 11, 11:30, 11, 12. Sometimes it goes up to that time also, depending on the interest and questions asked. Today's session was, I had a video session of 35 minutes and it went up to 12 o'clock from 8:30. So all depends on how many questions are being asked, and the discussion is main part. Okay. That's it then. We can end the session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.